Yeah.
Yeah. Girl is irritating right
Okay. 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 Okay.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Real.Maddie. For those of y'all who don't know, and for those of y'all who do know, welcome back. Long time no see. I know I got a lot of explaining to do. I've been gone for months, okay? But I'm coming back with a banger. As y'all can see, it's my birthday, so the content is gonna be really good. But I am in nursing school. I never really told y'all that, and when I tell y'all, it was a lot. You know, it was my first semester and my second semester. I just honestly was really busy. I'm gonna try to incorporate my nursing journey with y'all if that's something that y'all are interested in, because I'll be able to be more consistent that way. But if y'all do want to see my content that I've been posting like more consistently, follow my TikTok. I'll put it on the screen, okay? As you guys can see in today's video, I have a B&B tomorrow, and this time it's gonna be so fun, y'all. It's gonna be a big game night. Like, we're gonna have a ball, okay, for my 21st birthday, and I'm really excited for that. And then today is just really doing everything that I need to do. I did my own lashes, I got my brows done, then I just got to get my hair done. I'm actually at my appointment. I can't wait for y'all to see the hairstyle. It's so freaking tea. I'm actually nervous because I've never gotten this hairstyle before, but I think she's gonna eat down. I really pray and hope she eats down. And then I get my makeup done today as well, but it's gonna be later on. And yeah, today's just gonna be honestly a really busy day for me. And also, like, I've always said this, but y'all, I also be clueless sometimes when it comes to video ideas, which is why I feel like I should incorporate nursing school, because that's literally, you know, my day-to-day life when the semester starts. So with that being said, yeah, like, give me video ideas. If there's ever something that y'all are interested in watching or whatever, like, let me know. And if y'all don't say nothing, I won't know. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. So I am so irritated. Let me talk to y'all for a second. Hold on. So I love my hair, but I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's raining outside. So I couldn't sit there and wait for the rain to stop for real, because I have stuff to do. I have another appointment at 5 p.m. and like most of the curls already fell, so like I can't even show y'all what it was looking like at first, but it looked so much better than this. They fell that quick, and I put my hair in a bonnet. Like, how it fall that quick? And the worst thing about it is I don't have a curling iron and I can't curl. So I don't know. Hopefully one of my friends have a curling iron and we can like fix it back up. But why I gotta be running the day before my birthday? The birthday girl is irritating right now. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all. Okay y'all, so I wanted to give y'all an update because I haven't talked to y'all in a minute. Basically it was raining, my hair got wet, so that was like a whole big thing. I went to get my makeup done. Now I'm gonna take pictures. I'm with my homegirl Jada, okay, and my boy best friend, and we're gonna go take pictures. And she also fixed my hair. She did it so cute. Look at this blush, look at the detail. Get into the blush. So yeah, this is what we finna do.
Make sure y'all tell my homegirl she look good in them comments, okay? And happy birthday.
No, for real. Okay, because I'm on the birthday. No, I told you wait till 12. Y'all, he keep doing it. I don't know why he keep doing that. Just wait till 12. I done got 2 happy birthdays today. And my birthday's tomorrow.
We gotta hurry up and get these pictures into the B&B in an hour.
You open my door? It's not open. Okay. So yeah, I've been trying to get y'all some content, but it's been kind of choppy because it's been all over the place. And tomorrow's my B&B. I felt it come down in the car, literally. Thank you. Why is you looking like that? It's because of the outfit. Y'all, this is the outfit. See?
Look at the shoes, look at the shoes.
Yes, get into the heels. I got my gold jewelry on. Y'all, I couldn't put a necklace on because of the top, so.
Ooh,
That's
looks
just
so good.
Thank you.
Rock out your. Come on.
VIP.
Y'all, I haven't vlogged, but some of my friends, some people still coming. Show y'all my birthday stuff.
I'm too old.
If you got scribbles on it, that's
Right. I didn't even show y'all the setup, but
my name Carl with that.
whole everything. Did he lie? Did he lie? No, he said I looked like a jazz, so I said she looked like a jazz. I said she looked like a jazz. 2, 3. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Shit. Happy birthday!
for you. At least I said I'm sorry. You know what it was. I told you that I was heartless.
When you said that, even Jesus forgave. You would drive to your place.
4, 5, 6 nights. I've been slipping, that's the only thing that's keeping me on fire. I want you right now.
Like the nose pierced with the eye.
It's not yellow.
We got the blush. Look at the blush on the cheek.
They didn't even try.
Okay, let's redo.
Yeah, I'm promising you.
Actually like both of them in their own way. Like actually.
I don't know, I think ours was better.
Okay, y'all ready?
Head, knees, cup.
Y'all ready? All right.
Head, shoulders, knees, cup. Don't give me no business.
Two, guess who y'all trader is. Everybody point to y'all who y'all think y'all trader is for team 2.
Hold on.
Okay, like I said, their only job was to make y'all lose the whole time.
Hold on.
That's probably why me and Katie do our closer.
A little bit of him, but she played, but she wasn't your best.
Exactly. I'm not.
Okay, trader for team 2, please stand up.
Are you kidding me?
YouTube, I done forgot about y'all. Honestly, I had a really good night, and I'm gonna update y'all tomorrow because I barely have storage to record. I barely had storage to record all the stuff I wanted to show y'all. We played a bunch of games, and I'm gonna just put clips in here so y'all can see. But yes, 21st birthday was a success. I had a great time. I'm glad everybody pulled up, and yeah, it was cool. I liked it.